It's a 2008 Buick LaCrosse. This effortlessly stylish LaCrosse has a lush interior and striking exterior. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM XM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, selective service internet access, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated leather bucket seats. Road and track rights slide into the driver's seat. Look at the tight fits and polished look of the dash and door panels, and you get the sense that the LaCrosse is something special. The horizontal dash treatment features wood grain accents. The instruments have chronographic styling with aluminum bezels, and tasteful strips of chrome add some sparkle. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.